I'm Benny Cohen.
I'm Natalie Lockett.
I'm Natalie Brave.
And I'm Adam Kalman.
And we're here to show you our project we worked on with the TI Innovator Rover.
So the first problem that we encountered was that the rover has a slot for a pen to go in, or in this case, a marker. But the issue is that pen is always on the ground. So whenever we move the robot, it's drawing a line. But sometimes we want to move the rover from one spot to another without drawing a line.
So we wanted to look at a modification to make the pen move up and down. So immediately I thought, let's use some sort of servo or some sort of linear motor that can lift something up and down. And while looking at the rover, it might be kind of scary seeing there's not a lot of places to connect things to. You have to get creative on what screw holes you can use. So what we ended up doing is we found that in the circuit board there's 2 screws holding it in. We utilized these 2 screws to add a 3D printed part on.
We designed this 3D part to fit into the 2 screws that were already in the board, so we wouldn't have to really physically modify the frame of the rover if possible. We designed it in CAD software to screw into the bottom and then have essentially just a rectangular slot for the servo to fit in. This is the servo that comes with the Innovator expansion pack, and it comes with a cable that plugs right into the side of the TI Innovator hub that goes into the rover. And from there, you can easily program it to move in any direction you want. So it drew the x-axis, and now we're drawing the graph.
Our main adjustment was creating an x-axis out of duct tape. We used a color sensor, which is on the bottom of the rover, which senses this blue duct tape, and as soon as it hits this duct tape, the code says, okay, we've hit the x-axis, and resets the coordinate grid so that x is, or y is equal to 0.